Hey, welcome back to Legal Clarity. I'm your host. Today we're tackling a question that thousands of people get wrong every single year. What is the difference between legal separation and divorce? And which one actually protects your financial future? The answer might surprise you. Let's get into it. Most people think legal separation and divorce are basically the same thing, just different stages of ending a marriage. They are not. They are two very different legal statuses with very different financial consequences. And choosing the wrong one, or not understanding the difference, can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Your health insurance, your Social Security benefits, and in some cases, your share of a pension you spent decades building. Let's start with what legal separation actually means. A legal separation is a court-ordered arrangement where a married couple lives apart and divides their finances and responsibilities, but remains legally married. You are still married on paper. This has major financial implications. You can still be covered under your spouse's health insurance. You may still be entitled to Social Security benefits based on your spouse's work record. You can still inherit from each other automatically. And in some states, debts incurred during a legal separation are still considered marital debts. Legal separation makes sense in specific situations. If one spouse needs to remain on the other's health insurance, if the couple has religious objections to divorce, if they haven't been married long enough to qualify for certain benefits, or if they simply aren't sure and want time to decide. Divorce is the complete legal end of a marriage. Once finalized, you are single. Your assets are divided permanently. Your financial lives are completely separated. No more automatic inheritance rights. No more shared health insurance. No more access to a spouse's Social Security unless you were married for at least 10 years. And here is the critical financial consideration most people miss. Once you divorce, any inheritance your ex-spouse receives in the future is entirely theirs. Any business they build after the divorce is entirely theirs. The financial separation is permanent and complete. That can work for you or against you, depending on your specific situation. So which one is right for you? Here are 4 questions to ask before you decide. Question 1. Do you need to stay on your spouse's health insurance? If yes, legal separation keeps that option open. Divorce ends it immediately. Question 2. Have you been married for close to 10 years? Social Security allows a divorced spouse to claim benefits based on an ex's record, but only after 10 years of marriage. If you're at 8 or 9 years, legal separation buys you time. Question 3. Do you have a pension or long-term benefit that hasn't vested yet? Legal separation may protect your claim to those benefits during the waiting period. Question 4. Is this permanent or do you need time? Legal separation is reversible. Divorce is not. And that's it for today. Legal separation and divorce are not the same thing, and the financial consequences of choosing wrong can follow you for decades. If you're considering either option, talk to a family law attorney before you file anything. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe so you don't miss next week, where we cover how to legally protect your assets before a divorce even starts. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.